I'm here to show you a tutorial on how you make internal doors. It's something that I was struggling with, and it's pretty simple after you just basically figure out how to do it. So just for anybody else who's struggling out there, it took me a minute to figure out how to get this done, so I'm just putting this out there for anybody else who needs help with doing this. So let me show you what it looks like in game before I actually go out there and do the tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I did it. So first, you're going to go to continue. It's a pretty new game, so it doesn't have much in it yet. So basically for right now, there's a door here and you click on it and it says the door is locked, and that's because you have to complete a mission. I set up this box here just for demonstration purposes so that you can click on the box and basically you completed the mission. Whoa, the door just changed. That's not what I wanted. Huh. I don't know how that happened, but it still works the same. So I'll have to fix that. Yeah. So basically you click on it and the door opens and it closes behind you, and you go like that, and you can click on any of these. These don't turn on any switches or anything. These are just empty boxes for right now. And so that's how it works. So let me show you how I did this. Right. Let's see if I can figure out why that changed also. Why did this, well, I don't know why that's changed. Don't know why that's different, but yeah, that was why that happened. So yeah, basically it's just that, and then there's a switch here. So when this switch is on, this will happen with the door instead of this. So let me hit OK just in case I hit cancel later. All right. So basically it's just you're gonna go up to the door, you're gonna touch the event, the player's gonna touch the event, and then you're going to the door here, which is the event. This event is going to just do its opening animation, which is simply just a left face, a right face, and up face, and then that's it. And then the player is going to walk through, and then they're going to get the through property off. And then the event is going to do the same thing, except only in reverse, which is just a right face, left face, and down face. If you're wondering why that's like that, it's pretty simple. All of the people or characters, they all have a down face, a left face, a right face, and an up face. And the doors are no different. They have a down face, a left face, up face, and a left face, right face, whatever, and an up face. And that's all it is. So that's how the doors are animated. And so I just basically did the same thing as far as opening, and just did it in the reverse. And then the door opens and it closes. And the last thing here is you need to have this event here right above this door, which is going to basically make it so that the door does the same thing. It opens here, you go through, and then you wait. And I have the door here is event EV002. So that's how. Make sure you add that there, that you're selecting the door, not the square. That's something that tripped me up when I was doing it. And that. Oh no, one more thing. The other thing you need to do is you need to have the tile sets here. And the reason why you need a special tile set is because these tile sets here for the wall, you cannot walk under them. You can only walk either through them, or there can be you can either walk over them, or they're impassable, or that's it, I think. There may be one more that I'm missing, but I can't remember. All right, so basically what you have to do is you have to just go into the database here, and I just created a new tile set completely. So this is basically just the interior tile set plus one tile set here extra that's on the D. And so what this is basically just the tile sets for the walls, which will be A4. And I have that here by itself because like I said before, the A tile sets, you can't change them to have the walk under property. You can only do that on tile sets B through E. And so I basically just took tile set A4 and I just selected it here and hit OK, and then it is added to tile D. And then I get this. So I just get all the tile A4 inside A4 here, and then I just set these to be the walk under, which is the star. So you just click on it and it'll turn to a star. And so I just made that into a star. and that's all you have to do, and then you can walk under it instead of over it. And all these other ones, if you're wondering, all these other things are just blank. They don't blank events. They don't do anything except for exist so that you can't walk on those spaces, because for some reason my tile sets are allowing me to walk over all these spaces instead of it stopping me from walking. So I may change it so that eventually when you click on it, it says something. But for right now, they're just going to be blank events. All right. Thanks for watching.